Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. We're going to take care of this backyard. It's probably been 8 or 9 days since I've cut it. Here in DFW, we've had just a lot of rain, maybe every 3 or 4 days. So I need to get this taken care of while I have a minute. So let's jump right into it. It's going to be a hot one. Right here I've got some vines trying to grow in the lawn. I also have some pecan trees. The squirrels just love to take the pecans and bury them in the mulch, bury them in the soil of the yard, and so I just have them all over the place. I also have a little bare spot right here in the yard that a little bit of St. Augustine, a little bit of Bermuda, and it just needs a little help right here. Right here on this backyard, this side right here used to be about a 50-50 mix of St. Augustine and Bermuda, but the St. Augustine is slowly taking over this side. I still have some bare area right through here I need to take care of, but the rest of it, the St. Augustine is looking really good. You guys can see these vines poking up out of the bushes right here. It only takes a couple of weeks from one cutting to the next cutting before they're poking their heads right out of the top again, so I'll take care of those a little bit later. Well, I don't know if you guys get that or not, about halfway through I had sweat dripping in my glasses, so it makes it a little more difficult to do any work, but got it taken care of. I do appreciate you guys watching. God bless you. Have a good day.